Hi, and welcome to lesson number 5, where we will be discussing membership futures and how you can use membership futures and build membership futures to increase your revenue and build a closer relationship with your subscribers, your visitors, and everyone basically that comes to your business. So I'm now at the beta social upcoming site, and we want to install a plugin called Paid Membership Pro, and I will add a zip file for this plugin down in the resources section so that you can directly download it from our website instead of having to trouble yourself with searching for it, finding the correct one and downloading it. But here we go. It is Paid Membership Pro. This is the logo, and you basically have two versions. You have the free version, which is basically all you need, but you also have the paid version or the pro version where you pay a monthly fee or a one-time fee at their website and you get extra features. But these extra features aren't necessary because you can get paid through the free version. So I will download the version and get back to our beta page and actually install it. So once you install, you go to plugins and add new, and we will upload this one directly. So you simply drag and drop and install now. And then we give it a couple of seconds to actually install, and as you know, we have to activate it as well. So there are many reasons why you may want a membership feature to your website. And as mentioned in the last lesson about autoresponders in this module, a membership page or a membership package, subscription package, or subscription feature is something you may want to provide or offer to your visitors so that you can start getting either a one-time commission of your visitor or a monthly recurring commission on your visitor. So now Paid Membership Pro is installed. Then you want to click Settings to actually create the different levels and the pages for the checkouts, the My Page, My Account, the cancel, the billing, the invoices, and so on. But first we need to create a membership level. So we click Add a new level, and the name here is the actual name that people will see once they select this membership and go to the order form. So we will call this, let's say, Starter Pack. Starter Pack. And then you have to add some details about what people will get. So that's the description. So let me just add something. So in this pack you will get our starter kit for how to build a website blog. And then we will add a confirmation message, which is a message people will see once they have completed the purchase or the registration and gotten access. So let's write something like, congratulations, you're now granted access. Something like that. And then if we were to scroll a bit further down, you have billing details. And you can, depending on what type of payment plan you have or want, you can either check it to be a recurring subscription, so monthly, let's say, you can have a daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly fee. So we will add an initial fee of $19, and then we have a recurring, which is $9 per month or per second month, and the billing cycle is limited to 24 payments, so that means 4 years, or six payments, which is 1 year, but we will leave it at blank because it's unlimited, indefinite. So we will actually go back to each month. So this payment or this plan will actually cost them $19 to join, and then cost them $9 each single month after the first month. And you also have the opportunity to add a custom trial, and we want the custom trial to be $1 for the first payment. So that's $1 for 1 month trial. And then you have some different options, other settings, which is disable new signups, which basically makes it impossible for your visitor to register with this plan. This is what you can use if you are upgrading the access for the specific membership plan. So we will leave that unchecked, and you have something called membership expiration. And this is how many days they will get access to the content. So let's say that our starter kit is limited to 1 year. So the membership expires after 1 year, and if people want to keep getting access, they have to renew their subscription. And we will leave the content settings as it is. So we'll now see that everything is good. Starter pack, description, confirmation message, initial payment, billing amount, custom trial, and so on. So save level. Now you've created a package or a level or a membership plan that people can select on your website. The next thing we want to do is setting up the membership pages. And we don't want to stress with this ourselves, so we'll click here to generate them for us. So there we go. Now every single page, account page, billing, cancel, checkout, confirmation, invoice, and levels page have now all been created automatically for us. The next, or one thing before we continue to the next part, which is payment, gateway, and SSL, there is another option though. If you have a custom design for your website, you can add this shortcode to the different pages instead of doing it automatically. But if you create them manually, you have to check them in this list. So account page couldn't be something else, it have to be membership account. Or there should be one for each one. But this is a shortcode that you can manually add to a page if you want your own design for the page. So let's get on to payment gateway and SSL. Here you have tons of different offers or tons of different options. I personally go for PayPal. So PayPal, not Express, but PayPal standard. And I simply type in my PayPal email, which is me@haroldroyan.com. But you have other options as well. You can have pay by check. I have no idea why you would choose pay by check, but it is an option. You have Stripe, which is a similar version or similar service as PayPal, but it also accepts not having a user, and you can use credit cards and debit cards with it. PayPal is fairly limited because you have to have your own user, but you can also register a user in the payment process. Then you have Authorized Net, Braintree Payments, 2Checkout. 2Checkout is also really popular together with Authorized and Stripe, but you also have CyberSource. I will leave it as the PayPal standard, but I'll show you how it is with the Stripe and so on. So with Stripe, once you register an account on Stripe to receive the payments, you have to add your secret key and publishable key to authorize that or to link it to your Stripe account. With Authorized.net, you have the login name and transaction key. And with 2Checkout, you have API username, API password, account number, and secret word. So there are more things to add into the 2Checkout one. However, some of the options are paid and not free. So it depends on what you want of functionality. Do you want people to be able to pay with credit cards, or do you want people to just have to pay with the PayPal? So that's it for the payment options. Let's get over to emails. So as people register, they will get an email that their account has been created with the login details. And you want this email to come from the correct email address and with the right name. So since this is on beta, I will actually just add, let's see, team@social_upcoming, and then we will call the name for this account team at something like that. And for every mail that Pay Membership Pro will be sending to people when they either cancel their account, they complete a purchase and join and anything like that, they will receive an email from team@social_upcoming, and this is their email. And you can also check to be notified yourself when people check out. There are cancellation and bill updates. So you click Save Settings. Now you have a couple more options. You have Advanced, which is the content people will see when they try accessing a website which is limited to members only, or certain levels, membership levels. So this is the content for the non-logged in members. You can mess around with it, and the same goes for this one. I will not do anything about it because this is just for tutorial purposes and not my actual website. And you also have add-ons, which I mentioned because you have a free and a paid version of Paid Memberships Pro, and some of the add-ons are paid. And you can see them all down on this page, both the paid ones and the free ones. There are a lot of them. And new ones are made every single month, or almost every single month. So there we go. These are the add-ons. Then you have more options because you have the ability to add discount codes to different levels. So as we went through the creation of the starter kit or the starter pack, we can actually add a discount for that one as well. So let's say that a close friend of ours wants to join, and we say that, okay, or two friends want to join. So we will give those two a discount code, which we can write. We can keep the automatically generated one, or you can write one yourself. So you can just type into this box, and we want to select the starter package, and then we can say that, okay, they can get it from $9, and it will cost them $3 a month. There's no trial, so they have to pay right away, and it doesn't expire. So this is the membership that they would receive, the payments, and that there wouldn't be a trial, or it wouldn't expire, and it will also not expire. So if we were to save code now and give them this code, and they input it into the registration page, when they go through the checkout and register their account, they would get that specific price for the membership, or the membership for that price. So that's all the settings at the dashboard within the membership menu. There is, however, one more thing that you can edit. So let's go to Pages, and let's go to the front page. As you create pages now, you have a new option on the far right side. Under the update or publish and the template for blank or default, you have something called require membership. And there you will have all the membership levels that you have created on your website. And if we were to check this membership and update the page, every person that doesn't have a member on your website, doesn't have a registered account, or aren't logged in, will not get access to this front page. So if I were now to go to the front page, I will see this content is for starter pack members only, because I haven't added my admin account I haven't added the membership level to my admin account. So let me just do that really quickly now. So I will go to edit and we'll scroll to the far down, and I will choose current level to starter pack, expires no, and update profile. If I now were to go to the front page again and refresh, I should have gotten access. Doesn't seem like it. Let's try again. That was weird. So in your example, you will most likely get access now, and that's what it should do. So it seems like it's bugged on my end, as I didn't do it properly. But what you could do, if this is a bug you experience as well, you can go to membership, create a discount code, set the discount code to not having to pay at all, so 0 at initial payment and 0 at recurring, and use that discount code after you click register. So let me just go through and show you how the registration page, or how the registration looks. So I will go back, open the page in a privacy folder, and there we go. So this is the page you will get to if you're not logged in and not registered for the starter pack. So if we were to click register, I'll come to this page. This page will show every membership level you have available or created, unless you have checked disable registration. So we want to check the starter pack. So select, and then you have the information, the description that we wrote, and then you have the price and information about the membership expiration. And then you have the option, do you have a discount code? And if you were to click that one, you will have the option to writing in discount code. And then you have username, password, confirm password, email address, and confirm email address. If you were to click PayPal checkout, you will be redirected to PayPal to complete the purchase and be redirected back after the purchase is done. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you add a membership feature to your website, limit the pages to certain membership plans and levels, and how to register an account. In the next video, we will be talking about PayPal buttons and how you can add PayPal buttons to certain sales pages or pages on your website, so that people don't actually have to register a user to get content or access to different content.